If you are looking for ways to sell Bitcoin in the UAE, CEX.IO is one of the best exchanges to consider. With CEX.IO, Dubai residents can use several services to cash out crypto and withdraw fiat funds across numerous funding options. All you need to join the CEX.IO ecosystem and get access to a wide range of crypto products, tools, and services is to create an account and get verified. Let's dive into what services can be used to sell Bitcoin. One of the most popular ways to sell Bitcoin on CEX.IO is using trade orders on the CEX.IO website or the CEX.IO exchange app. To sell Bitcoin using this service, you first need to select a market where Bitcoin is paired with a preferred fiat currency, for example, BTC USD. Then choose between market and limit orders. A market order offers instant execution at the best available price, while a limit order provides an opportunity to set a price for selling Bitcoin. However, its execution may not be instant. Once an order with a selected amount of Bitcoin is filled, fiat funds will be added to your CEX.IO balance. After that, UAE residents may perform a card transaction, bank transfer, or use other funding methods supported for their country to withdraw fiat funds. Another popular option is the Instant Sell service, which is exclusive to the CEX.IO exchange app. When using this service, you can sell Bitcoin instantly and withdraw fiat funds to a payment card in a single transaction. Regardless of the selected service, UAE residents can take advantage of the fast and secure settlement that CEX.IO offers. Join the CEX.IO ecosystem and choose a way to sell Bitcoin that best accommodates your crypto journey. Want to learn more about trading cryptocurrencies? Subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. For more in-depth articles and guides, visit CEX.IO University, link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and may the markets trend in your favor.